Today is my last working day in the Chinese snake year. And before we turn the page, I've been thinking what 2025 really taught me. Doing nothing is still a choice, but it's the most expensive one. Waiting feels safe, but staying still actually costs more than moving forward. That's why 2025 for me was all about being more proactive. When I look back at the year, two words keep coming back to me: gratitude and breaking through. First, gratitude. I want to say thank you to my customers, especially those of you who trusted me for something new. New suppliers, new products, new production countries. I clearly know choosing a new supplier or shifting the production is never an easy decision. Behind that one, yes, let's analysis, internal discussions, team evaluations, risk assessments, and in the end, there's courage. So when I decided to give me the opportunity, it wasn't just an order, it was trust, and that's something I never take lightly. Second, breaking through. 2025 has been a year of real disruptions. Things change fast: global politics, trade policies, tariff, supply chain risk. More buyers started rethinking where to produce. And because we have production in both China and Bangladesh, I found myself right in the middle of those conversations. I saw buyers comparing everything: China versus Bangladesh pricing, FOB versus land cost, MOQ structures, factory audits, compliance reviews. Some of you successfully moved products that have been made in China for more than 10 years to Bangladesh. You saw our cost advantage, but more importantly, you saw our quality was there. That gave you the confidence to plan your next step, right? Watching my customers make these tough decisions also pushed me to break through in my own way. That's why I did something completely new in 2025 for myself. I started my YouTube channel here. I moved our factory videos here. I started share things I want to talk with you by video. This kind of content is exciting, sometimes even a little boring, but still many of you watch it, like it, comment it, message me. Thank you so much. After Chinese New Year, for us Chinese, that's when the real New Year actually begins. It's the new year. I hope we can work even closer, face the market together, develop better products, and have real conversations about what's next. I'm ready. Feel free to reach out. Let's keep the conversation going.